I almost quit. Right at the beginning. Everybody always asks me how did everything started and how did I press record the first time? And that was by accident. This is a story you don't know. I have the luxury of saying the truth and saying like, not everything is great. Some things are terrible. That's one of the things we do in the videos. We say it like it is, and if it's good, it's good. If it's bad, it's bad. Unfortunately, not everybody does that, you know? So before YouTube, I started working as a martial arts instructor. That took pretty much almost my entire life, but because of an injury that I had on my leg, I had to switch it up and I could no longer teach. I had a web design agency and I loved taking my crew to eat, but it was always extremely expensive. One day, I decided to cook some sous vide steaks in the office. I asked my cousin, can you just record with your phone? And we uploaded that video, it blew up, and I'm here today. I don't know if it was the 4th video or 5th video. As soon as I posted the video, a lot of comments started happening because the first ones was just like nice comments. And then we got the haters. We have haters. It crushed me so hard that a little tear sit inside when I was talking to my wife. I wanted to apologize and I went in the comment section. I'm so sorry, I didn't mean to offend anybody. Just brush it off. Maybe that guy was having a bad day, you know? With time, I've learned to accept that it's okay that people will be mad at you. But I'll be honest with you, it does not matter. It still hurts when you read that comment. Even after all these years, you have to step back and you go like, well, maybe that person was having a really bad day. You know what I mean? And then they just want to bash on you and take it out on you. I don't like it, but I guess the right word is I live with it. You should listen to the comments. A lot of the times, even like if they're being critical, it's a good feedback. You're not going to make a fantastic video every time, even though you like it. There's a difference between making a mistake and doing something you're not supposed to versus a person just hating on you. Haters, don't listen. Forget the haters, move them through, listen to the good criticism. One of the videos that I had most effort, money, time involved was one that I did with Chef Rush and Albert, where we cook an entire bison. We posted the video and the video went up high, the highest views ever. Next day we woke up, the video crashed. YouTube completely took it off, demonetized the video. We went from having 20,000 views an hour to 0, literally. That crushed my bones. And my biggest supporter, my wife, she said, it's a wave, your next video will do better, and she brought me back to life. I am as good as my last video. You know the biggest differences between a real chef and what they like to call me, a YouTube chef? When you have a restaurant, you make a menu. And sometimes your menu is a seasonal, but lasts you 3 months. With YouTube, I make a menu every single time. That is very difficult. 99.9% of the time, I'm cooking that dish for the first time. And you know what's funny? I don't understand. Don't ask me why. But sometimes, if the food comes out terrible, the video does better. They loved it. They love seeing us suffering, you know what I mean? Oh my God. Oh. We shoot 10 videos a week, but we don't post 10 videos. We only post the best possible video. Out of 10 videos, we'll post 3, which is 1 for each channel, and that's it. So that allows me to put the best I can out there and have some type of backup. So it helped me deal with that in that situation, but that feeling you just described, I don't think it never goes away. Because if you're too confident, you're never gonna keep growing. You know, if you think you're the best of the best. And by the way, I have a lot of YouTube friends. Everyone is the same. Even though people at the top, the day you are comfortable is the day you die. If you don't have any new things, new ideas, new concepts, which is the hardest challenge for me right now, coming up with something that no one has ever done before. And most YouTubers, by the way, you have the YouTubers that just copy each other out, but you have the ones that are true and they really try to come out with something creative. What I've been doing recently is The Guga Foods is staying on their topic of experiment, things like that. But one thing that I really want to do is help restaurants. So, because I have a lot of restaurants friends and everyone has their story, you know? I love the challenge, you know what I mean? I'm a psycho because that's what I like. I never thought I was gonna have so many subscribers and people will enjoy my videos so much. For me, this is not work. I love making videos. There's nothing better to me, and it became my work and my passion.